Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn division concepts together, step by step. Division means splitting a number into equal groups. 12 divided by 3 means sharing 12 dots into 3 rows. When you spread them out fairly, each row gets 4. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Division and multiplication are opposites, like undoing a knot. If 3 times 4 is 12, then 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. The same array shows all of these facts at once. Division can also ask how many groups fit. 15 divided by 5 asks how many groups of 5 we can make from 15. Count them out, and 3 groups fit perfectly. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. Let's solve 20 divided by 4. Ask yourself, 4 times what equals 20? 4 times 5 is 20, so 20 divided by 4 is 5. Using the times fact makes division quick. So here's the whole idea. Division splits a number into equal groups, or asks how many groups fit. It is the opposite of multiplication. To solve any division, just think of the matching times fact. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.